had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks, and I feel misplaced without you.
Hey everyone, so I had someone recently ask me to do a haul video. She said that she started following me back in October because I did a haul video in October, and I figured it's been quite a long time since I did a haul video, so I'm going to do that for you guys today. So the first thing I'm going to start with, you guys have definitely already seen this video, but one of my recent purchases has been from Sparkle & Co. Let me zoom out for you guys. And it was their most recent sub bag, so if you guys missed that video, I definitely recommend you go check it out to see all the things that came in that sub bag and all the gorgeous fun new colors that you can actually technically still purchase if you sign up now. So if you didn't know, Dip actually renamed their company recently to Glam Co. to help with the confusion that has been going on with how to pronounce her brand name. So I actually recently placed an order for 4 beautiful colors, and these are 3 kind of like, this is more 2 muted shades. So you have 2 green shades here, Hazel and Evelyn. I think they're both really gorgeous shades. And this one has to be my favorite because it's called, not because it's called Hattie, but because it's blue, and I'll show you guys the swatch in a minute. But also, if you guys know about her dip powder called Fairy Floss, it was really, really popular last year. And something about powder being discontinued, can't remaking it. She made a 2.0 version, and then this is like the 3.0 version called Flossy Fairy. I think it's absolutely stunning. I love, 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 love this color, and I'm glad she came out with it. So here is the swatch of Hattie, and honestly the camera isn't pulling up true to life. It is more of a vibrant blue. Here I have this right here. Actually, wow, it practically matches this mug directly. Yeah. So I really, really love this blue. It's more electric and vibrant in person. And then here are the 2 greens. Sorry, my swatches are like not next to each other. So here are the 2 greens, and again, they're more vibrant in person. You have to see her real life swatches and her website swatches. They're really, 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 really pretty. She does a great job. And then here is Flossy Fairy. It is really stunning, and I can't wait to wear this one with Hattie actually. So nobody steal this color combo. Okay, thanks, bye. I really love these 2 colors side by side, so I plan on wearing these together soon. Oh, speaking of Dip, I actually purchased their builder gel in a bottle recently. I've been using it a lot for my builder gel fills. I don't use it on my initial application. I'll use like a potted gel, but it's been a good experience. The only complaint that I have is I think it's a me problem because I've seen everybody else be able to get gorgeous shine with this. I personally am not able to get it to look shiny after I wipe it off with rubbing alcohol, so I must be doing something wrong. So I'm going to insert some like miscellaneous items that I bought recently, like things that don't really have like a rhyme or reason. They're just like random stuff. Not random, but kind of random per se. So I bought a little tier of pigment powder because I want to use this over like gel polishes and stuff, and maybe over dip powder. I just thought it would be fun to start using this in the summer months to see how well I can incorporate this into my mani routine. I also purchased clear builder gel from Soul Dip. I've used it recently on my nails. It is very, very clear and beautiful. I really do like it, and I like the tub that it came in. It is a softer gel in my opinion compared to other gels that I have tried, but it's still beautiful and does the job. I also purchased some gel base and top coat from Nail Addict because I was running low on these and I needed to replenish my stock, which by the way, I have discount codes to like almost every single brand that I list here in the description box below. And I ordered super glue gel and Red Iguana hand primer. So if you know me, you know that I have a fake practice hand. And in order to be able to use this, it's best to use a primer with it. It has to be a very specific primer for the silicone. And in order to get the tips to stay in on the hand, I need to use a glue of some sort. So Red Iguana suggests super glue gel. And yeah, I plan on using these more often in my videos. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, you probably saw in my Instagram stories that I purchased the Revel Nail Sea Glass collection. The colors are absolutely beautiful. They're more of a translucent type of shade, so if you don't like sheer shades, I don't recommend getting these, but they're so stunning. Here are all 6 colors. It came with like a shimmer, 4 solids, and a flaky. So they're really pretty, and I absolutely recommend it if you're into these colors. At the very least, I recommend Baltic Sea, which is this blue. It's so freaking gorgeous. And then Caspian Sea, which is a milky white. Makes me happy that Revel actually came out with a milky white dip powder. If you haven't heard of CN Designer Dips, you need to get your butt over to her Etsy shop right now. Every single color she owns will blow your mind. So I actually have more dips than this. I'll actually show you my swatch ring. It's not a lot. I don't have like the most packing collection of her colors, but you know, I got a decent variety, you know. So recently I purchased these 4 colors right here. This one is called Restoring the Heart, and it was for a collab over on Instagram. It's actually, I think it's a thermal changer and possibly a sun. I don't know. This thing changes colors, basically. It's really pretty. This one is called Strawberry Milk Tea, and it is a foil, and it's just like it just looks like strawberries and cream and like strawberry milk. Hold on, let me open this up for you. Maybe you'll see it better this way. Isn't that freaking cute? Okay, and then Confetti Cake. I'm going to show you the powder as well. Oh my gosh, this one is a million times more pretty in person, and she also has a jelly collection. So I purchased mint jelly. So again, if you are into the Revel sheer colors, then you probably like jellies. Jellies are usually worn glossy, and then the sea glass colors are usually worn matte. So yeah, I'm excited for these new colors. I really need to get to wearing some of her colors soon because they're all so pretty. It seems like Ritzy Dips has taken the nail world by storm, especially with her gorgeous and unique glitters. She has great chunky glitters. I will say my first time swatching them, I did have a hard time with swatching them, but I have learned the ways of the chunky glitter life, so it's become a lot easier for me to swatch them, but they're beautiful colors. So let me show you the shades that I purchased. So these were my most recent order. Over Easter, she had a 40% off sale. Clearly, I like the color blue, as you can tell. So this one's called Waves. This is called Dusk. It's absolutely one of my favorites. Phlox goes well with Fairy Winkle. Actually, that's how they're sold as a duo. This one's called Moonshine. It has stars in it, so I was not going to not get it. And Burning Embers. That one is just, I think it's going to be a great fall color. I'm already talking about fall. There's something wrong with me. But look. These are like jam-packed full glitters. Her prices are on the pricier side. I'm pretty sure that bringing these glitters into her shop are more expensive than your traditional like regular hex glitters. The mixes that she makes are out of this world and they're absolutely stunning. I do have a discount code, like not like a discount code, like a referral code. I think it's $5 off your first order. I don't remember for sure, but I'll leave the code in the description box below for you guys to check it out if you want to try out Ritzy Dips and save some money. I highly recommend their colors. So Double Dip has been on the nail scene for I think 3 years now. I could be wrong. And you've seen me use their colors once in a mani on this channel, but I really need to get to using them more because I do have a pretty extensive Double Dip collection. I mean, it's not like insane out of this world, but I do have pretty much a good amount of colors. So I recently placed an order for all of these colors. Actually, that one was a mystery dip that just came in my order. So I didn't order it, but it's nice. It's flaky, it's pretty. So these were the colors I ordered. Clearly I like milky whites and why am I getting all these milky whites? I don't know. Poppy is a very popular color with her company. Got Milk is also another popular one. If you watch Melissa's Manis, her YouTube channel is amazing. Her talent is out of this world, and she features double dip in most of her videos. So if you are interested in seeing more of double dip products, go check out her channel. She does have a lot of great manis using their colors. Actually, most of these purchases were based on Melissa's manis, looking at her pictures, and I was like, oh, I want that, I want that, I want that. That's kind of how that happened. I also purchased their builder gel because it comes in a clear. I am desperately waiting for one of my favorite builder gel brands to stock theirs in a clear in a bottle, but until then I have been testing out and trying different brands of builder gel in a bottle and clear. I haven't come across a favorite in a bottle yet, but when I find that, I will let you guys know. I haven't tried this yet, so I don't know. Possibly, this is possibly my new favorite. We don't know. So Dipalicious has to be hands down one of my favorite dip powder brands. She's absolutely amazing, a great business owner, and her colors are so freaking unique, and I'm a sucker for a good blue, so of course I bought that blue. But she came out with an autism awareness color, so it's called Beyond Awesome, and I purchased that recently because someone contacted me asking me to do an autism awareness mani. If you don't know, April is Autism Awareness Month. I haven't gotten around to doing the mani, unfortunately, but here are the colors that I purchased. So these are colors that she released last year, but I still wanted them because they're really cute and they pair well with these colors. Like this one would go great with that red, and this one like would go great with the blue. And then this is the Beyond Awesome dip powder. Of course, my lighting is not really making it look as beautiful as it truly is. Let me actually open the jar for you guys. It is so fun. It's like really confetti-like, and I know that she's donating a certain amount of the proceeds to a certain foundation that promotes or helps people with autism. And then also Dipalicious Nails has these files, which has a sponge buffer on the other side. I actually decided to purchase one recently, and when I got it, I used it. As you can tell, it's kind of pretty well loved. So when I realized that I actually really liked the file, I went ahead and purchased another one so that I could have a backup when this one is like all worn out. And then I also ordered her remover gel, which you probably saw my removal video using how to remove my builder gel with it. I really liked that too. So if you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, I don't know why. Hi, here's my Instagram handle. Go follow me. But if you follow me on Instagram, you saw me do an unboxing live of my Cali Girl Nail Dip order. One day I just like ran across a really, really gorgeous mani, and then I was like, I need to go buy some things. So I spent a lot of money on a lot of Cali Girl Nail Dip colors. And then she's been releasing more things, so of course I went ahead and purchased more. So I'm not going to show you guys the stuff that I purchased with my first order, but here is my second. Is this my second order? I think this was my second order. And then I also ordered her sub bag because she comes out with a quarterly sub bag with 3 different colors, and I think it was like a 15% off discount code, something of that sort. It was a nice little discount code. But let me show you guys the swatches. Okay, so I have a swatch missing in action somewhere, but that's not going to stop me because you can pretty much see the colors through the jar. It's like a very gorgeous aqua blue. This one is like a nice coral, like a darker coral. So here are the colors of the sub bag, and the glitter really coordinates with the blue that I can't find my swatch to. It also came with some caviar beads, so that's fun in case you want to play with caviar beads. But yeah, these are really, really pretty. I think her next sub opens in July, June, something like that. And then I ordered these 3. Glitter in the Air has to be my favorite, also because it's a Pink song. If you haven't heard it, I love that song. Okay, so here are the colors of Glitter in the Air. It is so freaking fun. This one is called Persephone. That is a gorgeous fall color. And then this one is called Centerpiece. It is really, really pretty, just like an all year round color. So I love that. So I actually need to go and use these soon. hello motorcycle driving by. So I need to use these soon, one day soon. Whenever I do that, you'll see a video on it because these are gorgeous summer colors. I really, really love them. I love all the colors that I've gotten from her so far. And it's not that I don't want to use them, it's just I've been so busy with other prior commitments, things that I've agreed to and all that, which I probably should stop. But as you can tell, it's become, yeah. Okay. Oh, I can't do a video without showing this to you guys. Okay, so I recently placed an order with Liquid Layers, and I have another one that is pending and probably on its way soon. But I really wanted to try her 4-finger rest, so when I'm doing like my YouTube videos, I can keep my whole hand steady and just paint on my base bond. I also ordered her e-file stand. So this is what it looks like. If it's standing up, since I'm face down, you can't really see it. But what you do is you just put your drill bits down here. So it has 3 rows for your drill bits. And then you just can clip in your drill on the back here, if your drill has a clip, of course, and it just keeps your drill in place and you keep your drill bits there. I really like this. I really do like the color because all of my other Liquid Layer stuff is this color except for my 4-finger rest. This one is in the pearl white color. I got the pearl white because I wanted to see how different it was from the iridescent clear. But I really like it. I really do like the 4-finger rest. It's been great. I've loved using it so far. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about any of the products that I mentioned here in today's video, definitely drop a comment below. If you have like a more personal question and you want to ask me in PM, go hit me up on Instagram. My messages are always open and I'm available to help anybody with any questions you have. Oh hey, here's my recent manicure. Hi. I can't believe I've actually kept this on longer than 2 days. Oh, I just love that. Stop obsessing over yourself, Carol. That's not normal. Okay, so yeah. Hit me up if you have any questions. All discount codes will be listed below if you're looking to save money because we should always want to save money on all our purchases. And I'm thinking about doing a not dipping on a dime. That's, I don't know. Dipping on a budget style video soon. I don't know how exactly I'm going to make that work, but it's been in the back of my mind since like December. So I really need to make that happen soon. Trying to find the most affordable way for someone who's getting started using dip powder to get started. And the most affordable way using the smallest and most minimal amount of products necessary because technically you don't need everything. It's just helpful to have everything, you know? Like, anyways, okay. So that's it for today. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks.